So shout out to the squad out there. In today's video, woo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another lit video, baby. Right, that gets my two drip heroes out the way with their fantastic introductions. I'll get back to my boring one. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Thank you for stopping by. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, dropping a like on the video to get me out to a wider audience, and any comments or questions you may have, please feel free to leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Obviously, I'm sure you've already guessed from the thumbnail and my ludicrous introduction that I'm going to be talking about drip today, but as per, I will get the cryptocurrency market out of the way, and then we will see how drip is shaping up against it, and then we'll go through a few tweets and whatnot, and just, yeah, as per. Right, so we've got a market cap of $1.19 trillion, which is down 1.23% over the last 24 hours. We've had a little bit of a pullback today. 24-hour trading volume of $35 billion, with Bitcoin dominance sitting at 48.5%. Oh, I'm on the wrong page here, so let's go back to the Bitcoin's dropped below 30,000. It's down at 29.8 at the moment, so we are down nearly 2% over the last week, but we're still in a fairly healthy position. XRP is still sitting in fourth place with gains of 60% after last week's court case result. Cardano's currently sitting at 30 cents. Solana's had a slight pullback. I still think that's a good opportunity to get involved, you know, at that sort of level, but you got to remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I never have been and I never will be. It's just for entertainment purposes only. So it's a bit of a flat day, but a pullback, nothing to be overly concerned about. Over the last 24 hours, the biggest riser is something called BitDAO. That's up 6%, 15% of the week. Chainlink's had a little push up, which is nice. I know a few people that are invested quite heavily in that and are quite deep underwater. So not much to say about the biggest rise of the last 24 hours. So we're down 1.16% over the whole market. So let's look at drip. Drip is outperforming the market today. Imagine my shock. We're currently trading at 17 cents, still down 99.5% from all-time highs, but you know, we're up 0.97% today, so we'll take that as a W. Imagine everyone's portfolios are looking juicy as fuck right now. Obviously it's all to do with drip, drop, draw, and all the fantastic behavior of the developer. So let's go through a few comments. This person seems somewhat not negative. Drip has failed. You'll be really annoyed with yourself if you don't snap up some drip at 17 cents now. If DDD releases what to expect. No comments, people are ignoring him there. Drip still bullish as fuck for DDD. Sellers will get wrecked soon. What, if you sell, you sell. You're not getting wrecked. You've got some money in your pocket, and what's someone saying to that? Soon drippers have been saying since $100 drip and multiple failed launches. Yeah, I think he's alluding to the fact that we've been talking about scratches and whatnot. This person's an absolute bullbag. Drip, yet another day, another dollar. Yet another day of losing money. Mind you, that being said, you might actually be getting your 1% because we're up 0.95% today. Where should we go to next? Should we look at the chart? Let's look at the drip chart, see if we've got a nice big bullish engulfing candle there, like showing us a big reversal on drip. Oh, it appears my computer's freezing, so I'm gonna have to do a bit of filling. Hope everyone's okay out there. You're having a wonderful life. Let me have a sip of water while that's happening. So while we're waiting for TradingView to go, here we go. So look at that. Look at the change in sentiment. Let's zoom in slightly there. Let's stretch it out a bit so it looks even more impressive. Can you see that? Can you see the community start to shift? Actually, if this does close above there, you could have a tradable position, tradable setup coming up there. But yeah, we're holding that 17 cents line very firm. What we're looking at divergence wise, so there's a prior lower low. We have actually got bullish divergence there, and the MACD and signal line are about to cross, but I wouldn't be trading drip on technicals. We're still way below the 50 and way below the daily 100 with extreme negative momentum, although it's starting to shift though. So in the background, perhaps there is some buying going on in the background. I couldn't tell you. Well, I could if I investigated further, but Yeah, it does seem to have found some sort of support at 17 cents. Now, Kenneth has let me down because he assured me yesterday that we were 24 hours away from Drip Drop Draw being launched, and the 24 hours have passed, and as of yet, nothing has happened. So, Kenneth, step your game up, my friend. I shouldn't really be questioning a financial professional, but I'll show you my faucet for full transparency. As you can see, we're down 12% over the last 30 days, which isn't brilliant, but you're still earning that 1% a day, baby. Don't ever forget that. We're down 1% over the last week, and we're up 2% today according to the app, trading at 19 cents, which doesn't correlate directly with what they're saying on TradingView and CoinMarketCap, but there always has been a slight differentiation. Is that a word? A slight difference, let's keep it simple, between the two pages. I'm not going to compound just yet. I'll do it a bit later on. I've got 227 drip to compound. I'm not far off 14,000 drip, and my dollar value is 2,707. If you go to my faucet, how many days? 70 days from max payout, but when I compound, that will come down a couple of days because I haven't compounded. I think it's 2 days since I compounded, so naughty me. I really should be keeping on top of that. So let's check DDD to see if the countdown time was there and see if Kenneth was right. It's always slightly awkward when I find myself in these situations and I find out that it wasn't true. So I was looking on Telegram earlier and there was something posted, and we can check because they put it on Twitter. Exciting news. Our DDD testing is going strong with remarkable progress. Yesterday's group testing was a resounding success. We're spending the coming hours making impactful UI tweaks based on test feedback. Core functionality is flawless. Stay tuned. #drip, #BSC. I wonder how people are reacting to that. Let's look at the comments. Sorry, my computer's very glitchy today. Hours or weeks. Stay tuned for an injection and then a slow rug pull. Like, what the fuck happened to all the other updates and releases Forex talks about 18 months ago? Now that is a very, very, very good question. That's from Crypto Luigi. Crypto Norman, incredible. Fudders are still at it, LOL. Train is leaving soon. Last call. Let's fucking go, 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 go. Whale, 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 rocket. Flames emoji. Still buying every fucking day. DCA down to 27 cents for the third wallet. Sure gains, no brainer. Best of luck, Crypto Norman. Fudder's going to turn into cricket. Drip Drop Draw is coming. Let me translate Forex language, not releasing this week again. Let's go with a gif of a girl in a fake muscle suit. Yawn. Same lines of testing, fixing, updating and troubleshooting. And I will go back because when I just went to this page, so you've got to remember this is 18 hours ago and the date is currently the 18th of July. Bear that in mind when I go back here. So on March the 24th, April, May, June, July, 4 months ago, they published the Drip Drop Draw white paper, yet nothing has been released to the general public. Like it's not out yet. It's all just oh look, there's Stunner. What's going on, baby? It's your boy, Stunner Breezy, coming at you live. I might have to give him a follow. Bearing in mind we're like 4 months and still nothing. It's it does allude to the fact that a lot of what the shark talks about, it takes months for anything to actually happen. And as much as I take the piss out of these people like Crypto Kings, Driptopian, Drunktopian and the like, they're the ones that are keeping this thing alive, not the developer. This shark's got these people doing free. Even me, by talking about it, I'm bringing eyes to the project. Even though, like I said, I'm an investor, I want it to succeed, but I can see the obvious flaws with the project. But we're the people that are actually doing the promotion for him, doing the marketing, because he's not doing fuck all. But moving on, I found Driptopian. It's Driptopian official. Make sure you follow the official Driptopian page, because there's a lot of people out there like in the same case as Kenneth. Like, men would like to be, women want him, men want to be like him. So there's going to be a number of people pretending to be here. So make sure you follow the official. Has he got a blue tick? Oh, he needs to get one. Right, so 2 hours ago, he must have been sober. Well, we'll see if his spelling's okay. Be prepared for a big week in the Drip Network. It's going to be a good summer. See people win huge prizes with as little as $1 tickets is a game-changing way for anyone, including those new to Drip, to make money. The time is nigh. who is ready to be amazed. And I imagine he cracked a can open shortly after making that. I really would like him to address that drunken video he made, because he's pretending like it never happened, but to me it's like fresh in my mind. And people are saying, oh, why don't you like Driptopian? It's not a case of disliking him. I don't dislike anyone. I just don't like the way he conducts himself. And the video where he was on camera doing gun fingers, telling everyone to fuck off, calling everyone wankers, and telling everyone how wealthy he was, that was like the final nail in the coffin for me. So I knocked it on the head with him. I watch his videos for comedy value. I'm hoping he comes on camera drunk again, but yeah, I don't dislike him. I just think I ain't saying nothing else, man. I'm keeping it to myself. I don't go on like that. 100x. So what's going up with 100x? Martini guy is another scumbag. Nothing of much interest there. So where should we go now, because I'm going to wrap this up soon. It's approaching 3 o'clock, 14:58, so I've got to go and pick up the children soon. Back to the dashboard. 228. My garden, I don't really know if that's doing much. I don't know if that's a big garden or not. Shall I plant my seeds? No, I'll do that later on when I do my compounding on my other little bits of admin, as I like to call it. So no, that's Euro USD. That would be nice if the drip chart looked like that. That trade I took the other day instantly, it hit profit. So it's very, very simple setup. 2 to 1. How many pips is that? 229 pips, risking 114. But if you're using the correct risk reward, it's, well, yeah. If you can do that twice a week, then you're doing all right. But I'm coming across like Kenneth there, and I shouldn't be talking about things I don't understand. For fuck's sake, that morbidly obese gardener's just turned up. I don't know if you can hear him in his hedge trimmer, so it's a perfect time for me to wrap the video up. So thank you for watching. I'll upload this when I get back from the school run. I wish you all a wonderful afternoon, evening, morning, wherever you are in the world, and stay hydrated, just like Lee. Keep on dripping, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.